Hello everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's video, we're going to go over the pre-market analysis for the coming week of the pairs that are on my watch list, obviously. So if that sounds interesting to you, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in the content that I'm providing. With that being said, let's dive right into it. So we're going to start off with DXY, that's the US dollar currency index. Man, last week we can see it closed with a crazy bearish momentum. Obviously, it's after hitting this resistance structure that has been struggling to break for quite a while, almost for a whole month. As if you look at it from a monthly perspective, you see prices closed with a doji, indicating a lack of momentum from where it's at. Right? So you can see on the weekly perspective, prices closed with that crazy bearish momentum. So my view right now, obviously prices are still in a bullish trend because prices broke these two highs and this descending trend line. But right now this is a retracement. So where will prices be retracing to? Obviously this will be a strong impulsive bullish move. So I'll be looking for prices to most definitely be retracing to somewhere around 0.38. And then from here, that's when I'll be looking for a continuation of some kind, right? Now, should prices break below here, then I'll be thinking of prices hitting the next structure. That'll be 0.618, somewhere down here, retracing also to this descending trend line. So that's my view on DXY. Long term, I'm still bullish, but in the short term, this coming week or the next 2 weeks perhaps, then I'll be looking for prices to retrace and the US dollar to be losing value. How will this be affecting other currency pairs? Obviously, USD JPY, I'll be anticipating prices to drop. As you can see, prices are now on a resistance structure, not having really that much of a momentum. So I'll then just be anticipating to see prices drop, retrace until they hit about 144, 145, somewhere there. Euro USD, obviously prices are inversely correlated to DXY, so then I'll be anticipating to see prices pump. We can actually see even in the lower time frames, prices have broken these highs, and prices will be looking for continuation from there. So most definitely prices have the possibility of even tapping these highs. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on Euro USD. GBP USD, same thing applies. Obviously, inversely correlated to DXY. So right now, since prices are now bearish on DXY, on GBP USD prices will be bullish. So this coming week, obviously, we'll be looking for retracements on these broken highs to get our entries to then pump all the way until up there. Gold, same thing applies. And with gold, prices have already given us the structure. As prices have already broken above this high, retraced, and now we'll just be looking for some kind of a continuation somewhere there. So that's my view on the US dollar currency pairs. With JPYX, I'm not really rocking with it right now, because you can see last week prices closed with a bearish momentum, which is odd because the JPYX is inversely correlated to DXY. So if the DXY is dumping, JPYX has to be bullish. But you can see prices are still dumping. So I'm anticipating to see this as some kind of a false out in prices to retrace with a strong bullish momentum. Until that happens, I won't be taking any trades on this, because I hate it when the both of them are going in one direction, as one of them will most definitely turn around and do whatever. And I anticipate that to be JPYX, although right now prices are still indicating they're very bearish. I won't really be focusing on JPYX this coming week. I'll just be focusing on DXY, because DXY has given me more potential, or it's showing more potential than JPYX. So JPYX, I'm not really going to be talking about it in today's session, as it's still not rocking. Maybe when it's when we're doing the midweek analysis, it will have come to form, and then we'll discuss it in the pairs that are under it. But currently, it's not really giving us what we're looking for, so we're not really going to be trading it, at least in the beginning of the week. This coming week, we'll just be focusing on DXY pairs or the US dollar pairs. With that being said, guys, if you found value in this video, give us a like. Don't forget to share with a few friends, subscribe, turn on that bell notification. You don't want to miss out on the content that we're providing on a regular. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Let's have a great trading week. Peace.